Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn example number 7 of exercise 5.2. In previous video, we have learned example number 1 to 6. Now see what is given. Where will the R hand of a clock stop if it starts A from 6 and turns through one right angle? So here journey started from 1 and then after how many right angle? 1, 12, 3, 6, 9, right? So one right angle, it means how many minutes? 15 minutes, right? So here what we got it, one right angle. So we can say where it stopped, it started from 9 and it stopped at where? 9. So we can say it stopped at where? 9, right? So it will reach at 9. It will reach at 9. Got it? Now B from 8 and turns through two right angles. How many right angles? 2. 12, 3, 9, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. The journey started from where? 8. How many right angle? 2 right angles. So how many minutes? 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15. So one right angle, right? Then after again 15 minutes. So 5, 10, 15. So we can say it started from 8 and will reach at 2 o'clock. It will reach where? 2 o'clock. Got it? Now see, from 10 and turns through 3 right angles. How many right angles? 3. Let's see. 12, 3, 6, 9. See here from where? From 10 and turns through 3 right angles. How many? 3 right angles from 10. So here, right? Our journey started from 10. Now one right angle. So how many minutes? 15 minutes. So 5, 10, 15. So one right angle. So 1. Then after another right angle, 1, 5, 10, 15. So at 4, 1, 2, and third triangle 5, 10, 15. So we can say we'll reach where? At 7 o'clock. So all of you understood how to do? Sure? Good. See now last, from 7 and turns through two straight angles. Not right angle but what? Straight angles. So it's a little bit different. 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. So from where? 7. From 7. Right? So here. Then after what is given? Two straight angles. Two straight angles. Not right angle but what? Straight angles. So we knows about the straight angle, right? So if it started from here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So is a one straight angle, right? How many here asking? 2. So next again it started from where? 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's a another. So again it reach at where? It will reach at 7 o'clock only. So here we can say it started from 7 and again maybe finish. It will be finished at 7 only. Got it? Okay, good. Now we are going to learn about the angles, acute, obtuse and reflex. Angles. Now first one, acute. Do you know now very well about what do you mean of acute angle? An angle smaller than a right angle. An angle smaller than a right angle. Right angle means what? 90 degree. So we can say less than 90 degree. Second, which one? Obtuse. An angle more than 90 degree and less than which one? Less than straight angle. Means what? 180 degree straight angle. So greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Got it? Now third, reflex angle. It is I think so new for you, right? So an angle greater than a straight angle means what? 180 degree and less than a complete angle. Complete angle means what? 360 degree, right? So less than a complete angle. Complete angle means how many degree? 360 degree. See, from this you maybe get a better ideas for it. Maybe 7 o'clock. So here its measurement is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So angle which already we got it over here is known as what? Reflex angle. Understood? So what is the definition? An angle greater than a straight angle means 180 degree and less than a complete angle. Complete angle means what? Less than 360 degree. Got it? So all of you understood about it? Okay, good. Now let's see the next exercise. Exercise 5.3. Match the following. See the first one, straight angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. Straight angle, already we have learned about it, right? See the first option, less than 1/4 of a revolution, more than half of a revolution, half of a revolution. So straight angle means what? Half of a revolution, right? Half revolution, so we get what? Straight angle, right? Second, right angle, we knows about it well. What is the measurement of it? 90 degree. So what comes? 1/4 of a revolution, right? So D. Now acute angle, so less than right angle. So less than 1/4 of a revolution. So what comes? A. Obtuse angle. Obtuse means what? More than right angle, right? And less than straight angle. So obtuse so means what? More than half a revolution. Next is what? Another option, between 1/4 and half of a revolution. So between 1/4 and half of a revolution, right? 1/4 so what? 90 degree, and half means what? 180, right? So between 1/4 and half of a revolution. Now last one, reflex angle. Reflex means what? More than 180 and less than 360 degree, right? So we can say more than half a revolution. What? More than half a revolution. Got it? So all of you understood? Sure? Good. Now see the next. Classify each one of the following angles as right, straight, acute, obtuse or reflex. Let's see the first one, A. It is the what? Acute angle, right? Because having a measurement less than 90 degrees. So what? Acute angle. Now second, B. Its measurement is more than 90, right? So we can say what it is? Obtuse angle. Now third, C. What angle it is? Right angle, right? So we can see it is what? Right angle. D. See, it is more than 180, right? So which it is? More than 180. So which angle? More than 180? It's a reflex angle. Now E. See here, which angle it is? Straight angle, right? And last one, see, it is less than right angle. So we can say both angles are what? Acute angle. Got it? Now, about measuring an angles, we will learn in next period. So, okay, bye.